from raw steel profiles to finished modular storage containers. Every step is strictly manufactured at Qingdao Foremost factory. We started with heavy-duty galvanized square tubes and corrugated steel sheets, the solid raw materials that build our container frames. All steel components are precision cut and welded by our skilled workers to form rigid, load-bearing container chassis. After frame welding, we installed corrugated wall panels, then carry out anti-rust, primer and topcoat paintings for long-lasting weather resistance. We fit heavy-duty double security doors, anti-slip checker plate floors, and complete internal finishing. Each off-site prefabricated container unit undergoes full quality inspection before shipment to global overseas clients. Bespoke storage containers, modular site buildings, and portable warehouses. Units are all available for your project demand. Qingdao Foremost, your reliable factory partner for bespoke steel container solutions.